Bombo International News.
Naging mainit ang pag-uusap ni United States President Donald Trump at Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. Nasa White House ang Ukrainian President para sana pumirma ng mineral deal sa United States. Kasama sa loob ng pulong sa Oval Office, si United States Vice President J.D. Vance, kung saan binatikos nito si Zelensky sa pagiging agresibo sa paghingi lagi ng tulong. Hindi man lamang umano nagpasalamat ang Ukrainian President sa mga tulong na naibigay ng Estados Unidos kahit na ang ikinampanya nito sa nagdaang United States election ay ang katunggali na ni Trump na si dating United States Vice President Kamala Harris. Nagpalitan naman ng salita sina Zelensky at Trump kung saan sinisi pa nito ang Ukrainian President na siya ang nagpapalala sa kaguluhan nila sa Russia. Kaugnay niyan, narito mga palitan ng salitaan ni President Donald Trump at Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky.
We're going to feel very
you will
good.
Feel influence.
We're going to feel very good and very strong.
You will feel influence.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right about it.
From the very beginning of the war,
you're not in a good position. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having cards. But right now, you don't. Yeah, you're playing cards. You're playing cards. You're gambling with the lives of millions of people. You're gambling with World War III. You're gambling with World War III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country. It's back to you. Far more than a lot of people said they should have.
Inyong napakinggan si United States President Donald Trump at Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. Dahil sa naging tensyon sa loob ng Oval Office, ay hindi na natuloy ang news conference ng dalawang lider ng bansa at maging ang nakatakdasan ng pipirmahan na mineral deal. Magugunitang inakusahan ni Trump si Zelensky na siya ang nagpasimula ng pag-atake sa Russia.